Linking your bank account to Smartsheet can streamline your financial management and enhance your project tracking. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into Smartsheet. Access your Smartsheet account by entering your credentials on the Smartsheet website. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access the settings page where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods or Billing section. This is where you can add or update your bank account information for transactions related to Smartsheet. Step 4. Add bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Confirm button to link your bank account to your Smartsheet account. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the process was successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Smartsheet, allowing for better financial tracking and management. If you encounter any issues, consult Smartsheet's help resources or customer support for assistance.